Previously we learned the chapter number 4. That was my baby. Okay, open the chapter number. Just listen to me. Chapter number 4, we are learning Introduction to the HTML, full form of HTML Hypertext Markup Language. In that, we firstly learned the HTML definition. Okay, firstly, we learned the definition of HTML. Then we learned the features and the basic structure of HTML. If you are unable to see the screen, please look on the page number 63. Yes, yes. Okay, try to listen me. After the basic structure, we learned how can you create a web page using the HTML. Then we learned the types of HTML tag, paired tag and unpaired tag. In the paired tag, that is opening and closing, both tags are there. In the unpaired, that is only a opening tag. After it, we learned the basic HTML tags, body tag, paragraph tag, font tag, formatting tag. There are the three formatting tags are there: bold, italics and underline, B, U and I. Heading tags, six tags are there: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. After we learn the attributes, align, weight, size and color. And last we learn the types of list: ordered list, unordered list, nested list and the definition list. OL means ordered list, UL means unordered list. Now let's solve the exercise. Question 1, fill in the blanks. There are blank labels of heading that you can specify in web page. Now tell me the answer. A, 6. Okay, first answer is 6. B, list contain inside and outer list are called. Yes. B में आंसर आएगा nested list. बी में आंसर आएगा nested. C. But mute yourself now. How my voice will be there? B, I told you thrice. Mute yourself first. A, 6. B, nested. Now C, blank are codes that are not executed by the browser. आप लिखते हो लेकिन वो आपको ब्राउजर में डिस्प्ले नहीं होता. नो, टेक्स्ट तो डिस्प्ले होते हैं ना. टेक्स्ट लिखते हो तभी तो आपको आउटपुट मिलता है. कमेंट्स, सी में आंसर आएगा कमेंट्स. आपने बॉडी लिखा था इसलिए आपको आउटपुट डिस्प्ले हुआ. आप नहीं लिखते तो आपको कुछ डिस्प्ले नहीं होता. जो टेक्स्ट आप यूज कर रहे हो उसका आउटपुट अगर आपको दिखता है, यस, दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड टू यू. आप जो भी टेक्स्ट का यूज करते हो वो दिखता है, मीन्स यू आर यूजिंग इट, दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन सी द आउटपुट. But whenever you are writing comments in your code, it will be not displayed to you in your web page, in your output. Comments is also one type of tag. It's also executed with a angular bracket. D, a text that displays. Okay, A text that displayed in smaller size below the baseline of normal text is called blank. Yes, answer is subscript. Answer is subscript. Subscript. E. The blank attribute used to specify color of text in the web page. Yes, text. Yes. F. Tags in HTML are also called blank. Yes. Elements. Elements. Turn the page. तो आपका ध्यान कहाँ पे होता है जब मैं बोल रही होती हूँ? ई का आंसर पूछ रहे हो, एफ तक सॉल्व हो गया। बोलो। हाँ बोलो। बोलो क्या हुआ? Question number 2. Answer the following question. Page number 64 in your textbook. Question number 2. Answer the following question. A. Write an HTML code to display the formula given below on the web page. A plus B cube equals to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So firstly, it's a above the baseline. Which script is used? Superscript or subscript? Which script is used to display this formula on your web page? Superscript or subscript? Huh? Yes. Yes. Sub- Subscript. No, it's a superscript because we have to be show the above the baseline. So that purpose we have to use the superscript, not a subscript. What happened? Wait a moment. It's a subscript. Sorry, it's a subscript. You have to use. You have to write down the text and use the formula to show the base above the baseline the numbers like a 3 2. You can see that. Try yourself, otherwise I will be share the HTML code to you. B. Write an HTML code.
Okay, wait.
B. Write an HTML code to display first a paragraph aligned to the center web page. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में का बी जो है उसमें डायरेक्ट आपको सिर्फ टैग ही लिखना है, पूरा HTML कोड नहीं लिखना. For example, first is the paragraph aligned to a center of web page. For that, what should you have to do? You have to write down the tag like a P align P align equals to इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. Again I am going to show you one example. P align equals to center in the double quote, then close the P. इतना लिख के थोड़ी स्पेस आपको छोड़नी है, फिर आपको P को क्लोज कर देना है. सेकंड में आपको ये चीज करनी है. Like that, adding a background image. For background image, you have to use the body tag. In the body tag, you have to write down the background. So what you have to write in the angular bracket, write down the body space background equals to any name of image. आप कोई भी नेम का यूज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल rose.jpg, कोई भी इमेज लिख सकते हो. विथ एक्सटेंशन यू हैव टू बी राइट डाउन. आपको पूरा एक्सटेंशन के साथ लिखना पड़ेगा. Then close it. Third, the color of text should be other than the default color. The color of text should be other than the default color. डिफॉल्ट कलर हमारा ब्लैक रहता है, तो बॉडी कलर आप चेंज करोगे तो वो वेब पेज में वैसे ही डिस्प्ले होगा. सो व्हाट शुड यू हैव टू डू? राइट डाउन द बॉडी टैग in the angular bracket body space text equals to, for example, if you want to take yellow, so equals to in the double quote write down yellow. If you want to take the another color, so you can be. This is the example, so you can choose your colors. Now this is the B. Now C. Write down the HTML code for creating the given web page. वेब पेज इमेज इज गिवन बॉटम. आपको नीचे वेब पेज की इमेज दी हुई है. यूज appropriate tags along with their attributes whenever required. Note, font style is a Comic Sans MS. This is the name of one font. ये font का name है. You can use any background image related to the theme cafe. आपको यहाँ पे पूरा पैराग्राफ भी दिया हुआ है, तो आपको पूरा HTML कोड लिखना पड़ेगा स्टार्टिंग से. HTML tag, then the head tag, title tag. You can write down your own title. After it, you can write down the close the title, close the head. Start the body tag. You can see the background also. For background, you have to use the background equals to name of image. For example, it's a theme of coffee, so you can take a name cafe.jpg. आप ऐसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे ले सकते हो. Then here is the font style is given to you. For that purpose, you have to use the font tag. But in the font tag, there is the name, particular name is given Comic Sans MS. That font tag, font type you have to use. So in the font tag, you have to use the attribute first face. Face attribute you have to use, but you can see in the image there is a black background and by default color is the black. So that time you have to change the color also. So color equals to white, and you can increase or decrease your size. Choice is yours if you want. After it, write down the paragraph that you can see Cafe Bonza offer, from that to beverages and food. वहां तक आपको पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना है. क्लोज द P tag, close the font tag, close the body tag, and lastly close the HTML tag. This is the whole tag of C. Now lab activity that you have to be performed. An introduction to the theme with the highest level of heading and any two formatting tag. You can choose your theme. आपकी choice है, जैसे water supply, that is on the depend on the EVS. कोई भी साइंस की थीम आप ले सकते हो जिसके रिगार्डिंग आपको एक वेब पेज बनाना है. A background image related to the theme. an order list of 5 items related to the thing. Choose any theme and choose your theme and make your web page with these 3 points. This is your lab activity and here we completed whole the chapter of HTML. यहाँ पे पूरा आपका HTML का चैप्टर खत्म होता है. आपने इंट्रोडक्शन ले लिया, फिर पूरे टैग्स सीख लिया, माइंड मैप कर लिया, एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई. Tomorrow I will be share the assignment to you that you have to write down in your notebook. After it, question number 2 you have to write down in your notebook, not a question number 1. आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 नहीं लिखना, एक्सरसाइज में से सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ही लिखना है. सारे HTML कोड ही है उसमें.